The One Button Studio is a multi-purpose tech space. You can use it as a quiet space to record projects or anything else that requires technology that you might not always have access to. To use the One Button Studio, you can turn on the lights by flipping the power strip on the wall. Once you have those turned on, just plug what you want to use into the power strips and plug the power strips into the floor outlets. Next, you're going to want to take a computer and place it on the desk. There will already be a computer in the room, and anything you record in the Photo Booth app will be uploaded to your teachers automatically, but you're welcome to use your own computer if you prefer. You can plug in a power cord and a microphone. You can use the microphone to record voiceover for your projects. To use the microphone, open up your settings and select microphone as the audio source. When using the microphone, you can turn the fan off using the thermostat on the wall. When recording video, you have a few options for backgrounds. You can use the gray background, the black background, or the green screen. Or you could use the overhead projector as a background. You can also use the TV as a background. In order to AirPlay to the TV, simply turn it on with the black remote. Now take your computer and select the AirPlay symbol on the top of the screen and click on TV card. Then enter the code that pops up on the TV. Once entered, you should be connected. So feel free to use the One Button Studio for any of your future projects. It can be rented out in the hub.